Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my magnetic motion censored light. These motion censored lights are so practical and have made my life so much more convenient. What initially caught my eye about them was their versatility. These lights are wireless and are USB rechargeable, so that meant that I didn't have to worry about wiring or outlets. I could move them to countless locations. They automatically turn on when they detect motion, so it's perfect for places like closets, cabinets, cupboards. The battery powered is easy, just to plug up the USB and just charge it. Just takes a few hours. And I think they have definitely been a handy part of my home. I placed them in our closet because they didn't come with lights. So if you have one of those funky parts of your home where it's underlit, I think these would be the perfect addition for those spots. It does come with an adhesive, but it also has a magnetic background and it just adds a cozy aesthetic. And that's my point of view.